All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So for tonight's matchup, this is going to be a good one. I got a brand new car on the channel. Well, it's actually a truck. This right here is a 2019 Ford F-150, and it's heavily modified. He has a twin turbo kit. It's running on twin Precision 62, 66 turbos. It is a stock engine with a built transmission. Running on E85 with full supporting mods. Now, the owner has told me this car is making somewhere around 1,000 wheel horsepower. He says he is pushing this engine to its limit. And he's going to be running up against a 2021 Tesla Model S Plaid. Now, this one has been featured on the channel several times already. He is currently right now a 94% state of charge. This is a full weight car, and he's got roughly around 20,000 miles on it right now. So this should be an exciting matchup, I think. So we're only going to be doing a 40 roll. So both cars will be taking one passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, so I'm here in the Plaid with 94%, and we're running in Plaid mode. So we are going to do a 40 roll. So let's see how this goes. It's coming up. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Oh, something happened, bro. He was moving out. I don't know what happened, but he moves.
Should we do a flyby through there?
And we can do it right here. All right, guys. We're going to do that 40 one more time. The F-150 owner let off the gas a little early. That was a mistake. But just for entertainment purposes, we're going to do a second round for you guys. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3! Had a slight jump on him, and he still pulled on you. All right, guys, we are finished here. This F-150 is fast, pretty fast. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.